Coach Mel here. I'm going to try my hand at the Dollar Tree cross. And I've never done it before, so we're going to work it out together. So, y'all ready? So we're going to do 11 inches before we get started. This is poly burlap mesh. It's a little bit more plasticky. It's real thick. In order to cut it and help it from fraying, I'm going to use a wood burner. And I'm going to cut the, going to do the ends, okay? I'm going to, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to cut it with the wood burner. Right between the lines. Right between the lines, okay? I'm going to cut off that edge, and then we're going to cut 11 inches at a time, 11 inches at a time. So, and I actually have zero idea how many we need exactly. We are cutting on tempered glass cutting board. Okay, so here it is. All right, so here we go. I'm getting kind of nervous. Bear with me. Bear with me. All right, I'm going to go from edge to edge, like I always do. I'm going to go up like this, like I always do. I don't know how far up we're going to do this. So I put that one kind of right on the edge. You guys, I hope you don't mind me working it out with you. I've never made one of these before. We're just going to... I never made the cross before. Okay, so I'm going to do that just over this. It's really thick. Okay, this is going to be good. Just want to make sure that that covers this. So that last one is like kind of right underneath there. That space. All right, I'm okay with this right here. I need to have a nice base here because if not, I might do one at the top, one on the sides. I still need room for that white to show through there. And I don't feel like these are long enough. All right, let's see. I think I'm going to leave it as one. All right, I think I am going to leave it with one on that side. We can change. I mean, we could, before we get really going, we can add another purple if we think it's necessary. It might be, I don't know. Let me see. All right, this is going to be way, way bigger than I thought. Oh no, we need another one up there. We're going to start cutting the white. All right. And we're going to make sure we do, I don't know, we're going to, let's do, let's see. We're going to do 17. I'm just going to guess. That's my counting. That's how I was counting. Let's do 17, okay? And then we might need more. We might not. Let's see where we're at. 17. All right, we're going to start from the bottom and move our way to the top. Well, let's see. I might do 3 per section, I guess. That's where we might be, I guess. I'm just kind of going tip to tip, and then because it's 11 inches, look, you don't have it, it's not perfect. It's not meant to be perfect. You can grab the poly burlap. I buy it usually from CoachMelSupplies.com. Don't forget that is my affiliate over to Deco Exchange. And if you use that affiliate, use that link, CoachMelSupplies.com. You can use the code MEL10 for 10% off. And one thing I'm already going to do, because it's driving me crazy. I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to do it, if this is the way you can do it, but this point here is going to drive me nuts. So I'm going to try my hardest to bring those two ends together quietly and secretly with a little tiny zip tie. Remember the ones I said I got from the Dollar Tree? Maybe it does prove to be good. I'm going to just try to really carefully zip tie these. There we go. And no one's going to see it. Corner to corner. All the way up. So like the part that I'm squishing here is about the size of the tip of my thumb. So I'm digging that. And we're going to come right in this way and do the rest white. We might do, maybe we will use those other two pieces. I think we're going to end up going right on top here with this next one. All right. This is probably not the right way to do it, but we're going to do it this way. I need this one to go in that one specific spot. So I'm going to add this to it. I need it to go right there. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the other side first because I'm probably going to need one to go in the same spot. So I'm going to leave it right here and then put them right there and then do it together with a pipe cleaner. Oh, I'm going to put one more purple. I think that'll be nice and full. Okay, let me grab a white pipe cleaner and then down and bring it back up. We're going to add some glue in here. And I know a lot of you said you didn't like it together, but I'm going to piece these ones together. If I get it behind the camera and I really don't like it, I can always change it, but I'm just trying to see how that looks in the, I don't know, I really like that lit this way. I can always cut them out, y'all. I can always cut them out. Just piecing together this. All right, glue pot's ready. Let's put some florals in this center. All right, we have some tulips, some greenery. Keep it little because we don't want to take away from all the other pretty stuff we have going on. And I like it that these are pushables. I can push them up. I'm going to be fairly generous on my glue. Place case that one kind of coming out on purpose. I'm going to do the same for each of these. All right, now I'm going to come in and fill with our tulips right into that center. Fill the whole thing. All right, we're going to be doing lots of, remember, I want it to, the center is going to come right out of the wreath. So it's going to stick, instead of being flat, it's going to cover this whole center. All right, I am going to take these guys. Yeah, I am going to take these guys and pull them off there. Added just a few in there. I'm just dipping this nice big glob of glue and setting it right down in there. It's big. It's big. It's big. It's real big. Thank you very much. Bye, y'all.